Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the root cause analysis. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future, because you will definitely see this topic in the exam as well. Secondly, if you are a project manager and implementing different projects, so you must have to know how about that what is root cause analysis and how you can use it. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, topic is root cause analysis. So basically these are the three terms here: root, cause, analysis. So that means root means the major basic thing, cause mean the reason, and analysis mean the analyzing the factors. So basically if you just see these terms, root cause analysis means we are analyzing the reason, basic reason of problem. Actually, what happened actually whenever we are implementing projects and doing different things, so what happened that if there is any issue in the process, for example you are deploying a software solution and something goes wrong, things are not working fine. So what happened, like we all start firefighting, like either we are blaming to each other that due to that particular person the problem is occurring, either we are saying that there is something problem with the hardware software, or there is some problem with the process. So basically whenever there is a problem, we always start firefighting, or we always goes into the reactive mode. Root cause analysis means that we basically analyze the root cause, basic reason that why thing goes wrong, what was the problem, discovering the root causes of the problem. And after discovering the root cause of problem, we try to systematically prevent it and solve for underlying issues, rather than just treating ad hoc symptoms and putting out the fire actually. So basically this is the main concept here. It is basically the approach to systematically solve the problem rather than on ad hoc basis. See, when we solve the problem on ad hoc basis, what happened, the problem will definitely occur it again, because we have not solved the root cause. When we solve the problem through root cause, that means you solve it permanently. It should not occur it again. The core principles of root cause analysis is, first of all, focus on the root causes, not just the symptoms. Like many times it happens that for example system is showing that problem is with the RAM, problem is with the ROM, or something else you can say. So focus on the main cause of this thing, main cause, that why problem is occurring. Then short term, and don't ignore the importance of treating the symptoms for short term relief. If, like, see, if there is anything through which you can get the short term relief, if for example you were deploying the solution of production, so, and if there is any issue occur, so first thing is that just try to get the short term relief. It is, don't ignore this thing. Then um, multiple root causes can occur. There is also possible that not only one possible root cause is there. There could be multiple, more than one root causes are there. Not only focus on how and why something happened, and focus on how and why something happened, not on the who was responsible. Because whenever problem is occurring, so we always finger fighting to each other, we are trying to firefighting with each other. So try to focus on how and why something happened, not on who was responsible. Be methodological and find the concrete cause and effect evidences, like any documented proof, any evidences, any procedures, document, etc. Inform the corrective course of action. Like what thing goes wrong? Obviously, it's a reactive approach basically. Like something goes wrong, now you are trying to do the correction actually. Consider how root cause can be prevented or replicated in the future. Like obviously, one thing is that the problem occurred and now you are trying to solve the problem. This is the reactive approach. But there is another approach, is that like you will try to find a solution so that the problem should not occur in future. So this is the preventive approach actually. The goals which we will try to achieve from the root cause analysis: first one is the discover the root cause of a problem or event. This is the first. Why? Because if you know the root cause, you can avoid it in future as well. You can solve the problem permanently. Then how to fix the problem? This is another goal, because first thing, you know the root cause, then next thing, that how you can solve it, and apply what we learn from this analysis to systematically prevent future issues or to repeat successes. So first goal is that try to find the root cause, then try to fix it, analyze it and try to fix it. Then next is the apply the solution so that we can avoid it permanently and prevent it in the future as well. Root cause analysis types. Basically there are three types of causes. First one is the physical causes. Physical causes means, like for example, there is any problem in the hardware, there is any problem in the like computer system, there is some problem, the hardware was not working properly, the server was not responding, the database issue with the database, or there could be so many physical reasons are there, because we all knows that when machines are working there could be some problem occurs as well. So first reason is the physical causes. Second reason is the human causes. Human causes means that, for example, humans have done some mistakes. We all know we can do mistakes. We mistakenly do something that not have to be done. So second is the human causes. Third one is the organizational causes. That means the procedural mistakes. The organization is not following the proper procedure. For example, let me give you an example. Like if you are implementing a software solution, and you are not going through the quality assurance process, so obviously it will be a huge problem after the deployment. You are not talking with the customer before the deployment, so it's another issue, in another problem. So basically there are three main causes of problem, and first one is the physical causes, like hardware software problem. Human causes, like human do some mistakes, and next is the organizational causes, that means some problem in the procedure. Now the process of the root cause analysis. First thing is define the problem. Define the problem means just talk whenever there is a problem, talk with people that actually try to discuss, analyze that what problem is actually. For example, they are facing that service is not available. For example, they are responding you that application service is not available in, for example, in particular some time. So define the problem. What is the problem people are facing? First thing is definition of problem, where, and for defining the problem you have to sit with the people, you have to sit with the multiple stakeholder and define the issue what they are facing actually. Then collect the data. Again, you have to do the interviews, you have to do the surveys, you have to sit with the people, you have to sit with the major stakeholder and try to get the data means that any specific documentation, any facts and figures, you have to collect it. Then you have to identify the possible causal factors. Again, you know that it could be like it could be a human factor, it could be a physical factor, it could be organizational factor, so any factor could be there. So based on the facts and figures you have to identify the casual factor. Again, you have to focus here on the how and what actually, that how problem occur and what was the problem, not who have was responsible due to this due to that the problem occur. Okay, and then identify the actual raw root cause. Once you have the identification possible root causes, then identify the main root causes. Again, root causes can be multiple root causes. Then recommend and implement the solution. Once you know the root cause, then based on your identification you can recommend the solution and implement that particular solution as well. And you can know that if you solve the root cause, then obviously you can solve the problem permanently. So this is the main process of root cause analysis. So here friend, in the last I would say that root cause analysis is very useful process for understanding and solving the problem, figuring out the negative events which are occurring and trying to solve it. Once you know the negative events and the reason, then determine the solution to address and to solve it permanently, and we can avoid it in future as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.